Afternoon, welcome. This is Waec here 2020 English Objective Past Question. Question number 30 says we should choose the option that best interprets the given sentence. And the given sentence here, what we have here is when. So the sentence says when he received the news that he had lost the election, he did not bat an eyelid. This means that option A expected to lose the election, B stood perfectly still, option C was shocked to have lost the election, option D showed no feelings. So when we talk of batter an eye, to bat an eyelid, it's just like one blinking one's eye. Are you getting it? One blinking one's eye. And when you blink eyes, it means that you having a feeling for something, but there is a negative adverb here which says that not, which means that not bat an eyelid. This means that not to blink an eyelid. So, and to blink or to bat an eyelid or to blink an eye means to what? To show feeling. So in this context means that the person concerned here did not show any feeling. So option D is correct. So we can now say that when he received the news that he had lost the election, he did not bat an eyelid. This means that he did not show feelings. So he did not show feelings. So he was not bothered about the loss of the election. So option D is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more videos.